This is how you can access Google Classroom on your Chromebook. First, you want to make sure you have logged into your Chromebook. Then you want to open your Google Chrome browser. The easiest way to find that, sometimes it will automatically pop up. If you don't see it, you can click your apps launcher. That's your circle here in the bottom left. Sometimes you will see Chrome here. If you use it a lot, these are your commonly used apps. If not, click this arrow and you will see all your apps. You can click the dots on the right to view if you have multiple pages. Once you find Chrome, click that to open it up. There are a few ways you can get to Google Classroom. The first is seeing if it's here in your commonly used apps. If you go there a lot, it will start to show up. Another way is to type in classroom.google.com and to go to Google Classroom that way. If you know you use Google Classroom a lot, you can also bookmark it. To bookmark it, you just click this star. And then once you're here, you will see all of your classes that you are in appear. So right now you can see I'm in 2 classes. So I'm probably going to want to make sure I check both of them. To open a class, you just go to the title of the class and click that, and that will open up your classroom. If you want to go back to your page that has all of your classes, you can go up here to the main menu, the 3 bars in the top left corner. And then you can either select your classes here, they're all here listed, or you can click here to go back to the main page. Either way works. You can also check your to-do list up here at the top. That will give you your to-do list for all of your classes, and same with your Google Classroom calendar.